Okay, I have a couple of these mini blinds. They're 1 inch and they use a pull cord. And on the left side, you see when you let the shades down, it's always slanted. And on the right side is after I fix this problem. This is the cord lock mechanism over here. You see there's a piece of wire and one cord is above the piece of wire, the other cord is below the piece of wire. Normally, the two cords are separated, and it works well when it is new. But after a few years, the cord here will get frayed, and the gear itself won't be as sharp as before. So if you were to replace the cord, this is I think 1.4 millimeter cord, or the cord lock, you can fix this problem. But the way I do it is you can just put the bottom cord, put it on top in the same area as this top cord. And by doing that, your mini blind will not have that slanted bottom problem. So it's very easy to do. You just either snip off or untie the bottom, the tassel part here, and you just slip the bottom cord to be on top, like what is here. Right, so both of the cords are above the wire. So now your cord should hold. And I should mention the way you should bring up the shade. It makes a difference. So the way to lower and raise the blind, the normal way is to pull it to the left when you raise or when you lower the shade. And when you want to lock it, you pull it to the right and then let go. Because when you pull it to the right and let go, that gear will be drawn against that barrel copper sleeve there, and it will lock the shade in place, and then the bottom of your shade will be level.